Hey beautiful souls, I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video we have some crunchy fried shrimp and crunchy fried crab sticks, which I haven't had crab sticks in so long, and it just brought me back to going to the chicken spots in New York and getting fried crab sticks and fried shrimp basket. We used to get that all the time back in the day. I'm telling you, I've just been so nostalgic thinking about New York and the foods I used to get, and this was so good with the spicy tartar sauce. Oh, okay, let's get started with the tartar sauce. So I'm adding some mayonnaise, some lemon juice, some minced garlic, ghost pepper hot sauce. You don't have to be extra like me. And I showed a little bit here, but I actually went back and added more ghost pepper hot sauce. This hot sauce is really good. I really like it. Some minced red onion, some cilantro, some seasoning salt, some black pepper, and paprika. And we're going to go ahead and just give that a mix. Give that a mix. And there goes our spicy tartar sauce. All right. Now for your flour, you're going to add some paprika, some ground black pepper, some ground onion powder, some seasoning salt. I'm using Sazon Tropical, one of our faves. And then you're going to go ahead and whisk your seasonings into your flour mixture. Now, taking the shrimp, go ahead and dredge your shrimp in the flour first. Shake it off, dredge it into the egg, shake it off, then dredge it into breadcrumbs. I would recommend using panko breadcrumbs. I did not have that available, so I'm using regular breadcrumbs. Then you're going to fry that on medium-high heat. Repeat. Dredge in the flour, shake it off, dredge in the egg, shake that off, then in the breadcrumbs, shake that off, and then add it to your fryer. Very simple, you guys. Such a simple and delicious recipe. When I say this tasted bomb, it was so good. So good. What I like about having an air fryer, right? When you want to reheat these, you just pop them in the air fryer. I like to put mine on 400 till they get nice and crispy, and boom, boom, boom. You got them back crispy all over again. So yeah, like I said, I used to get this from either the New York chicken spot or like the New York pizza spots would have that too. You could get fried crab sticks, or the fish spot. The fish spots in New York too, you could get fried crab sticks and shrimp basket. I miss New York low key for the food. I really do. With the crab sticks, this is imitation crab. You can do the same thing with regular crab meat if your money flowing like that and everything like that. But I'm using imitation crab meat. You do the same thing. Dredge in the flour mixture, shake that off well. Then you're going to put that in the egg mixture, shake that off well. Then in your breadcrumbs, which I recommend panko. And then you're just going to brown it on all sides. And that's it. That's all. Medium, high heat. You really want to watch it though. Make sure you turn it as you need to so it doesn't get too brown. I had a few that came out a little extra brown, but they still tasted really good. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. My son loved these. He ate off pretty much all the shrimp. I think I had 2 shrimp. I gave Lexi 1, gave my mom 1. He ate the rest of the shrimp. And he ate a good amount of the crab sticks as well. He said, that's good. I want more. So I was happy. Because if you're keeping up with our videos, I've said that he's a tough one. He's a tough critic when it comes to food. He'll let you know. That doesn't mean he's right, though, but he'll let you know. So I'm going ahead and I'm just plating up. One of my favorite things to do is to plate the food up and make it look presentable. But I really wanted it to look like a fried seafood basket. So I put it in the strainer and then put a parchment paper in it and then lined everything up in there. Ghetto, but it came out cute. I liked how it looked. It looked like a fried shrimp basket. So I thought it looked really good. And then, of course, garnish. I'm using some parsley. I couldn't wait to taste this. I didn't even wipe the parsley off my hand, y'all. I wanted to taste it so bad. I was missing this. And what I like about it is there's not too much flour. You don't want to over flour this. You just want to lightly put it in the flour just so that it can coat onto the egg, which then coats onto the breadcrumbs. So good. Crunchy and delicious. Love it. Fried crunchy shrimp, fried crunchy crab sticks. You can't go wrong with that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for the love and the support. Of course, God bless and peace.